So we're just gonna spritz these with some apple juice. Oh yeah, baby.
Did I scare you?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready, Nova? You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm Drew. This is Baby Nova. Welcome to Barbecue Illustrated. Today we're going to be making a Christmas ham.
This one here.
There we go, Christmas ham. What's this?
That's hammer.
It's close to a hammer. This is a Jeb Taylor boning knife. And this is the best knife you could get, right?
Yeah.
Here, you want to cut it open?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so this ham that we've got in front of us right now. Okay, good job. So this ham came from my buddies over at Northern Fire. This is Compact Duroc ham from right here in Minnesota. And it's literally like the best ham that you can get. So of course we had to cook one of these. And then we also have a Costco spiral ham right here. Whoa!
That's one.
And this is Baby Nova's to cook. So I'm gonna cook this one. She's gonna cook this one, and we're gonna see which one's best. All right? Okay, set it down for a second. All right, today we're gonna be seasoning with Gentry's Hambone seasoning. If you haven't used this, tell them, Nova. That's the best seasoning. Here, look, like this. That's the best seasoning in the whole world, right? And then we're gonna do the glaze with this Texas pepper jelly. And this one's a apple and brown sugar habanero seasoning. These hams are probably about the easiest thing that I make. And they're the thing, oh, you want help? Okay, be careful. They're about the easiest things that I make. And they're also about my favorite things that I make. Every year, I probably cook, oh yeah, be careful. Every year I probably cook, I don't know, 15 to 20 of them for friends and family.
I got big chocolate.
Yeah, you got a big ham, huh?
But big ham.
Yeah, you got a big old ham, huh?
I got but this.
Yep, okay, let's cut it. Okay, good job. Alright, so we're going to cook these on the Yoder smokers today. We're going to put them on the 640 at 275. Probably take about 3.5 to 4 hours, I'd guess. And we'll glaze it in the last 30 minutes and turn the temp up to probably 425 for the glaze. Okay, maybe. So we'll do this, Nova. Here, help me. Help me. So we're going to turn it up. I'm glad you woke up early. We were trying to do this video before Nova got up. And then we were just going to film the beginning after she got up. But she is made this morning very eventful. Haven't you, baby? What are you doing? Why am I seasoning your hand? Taste it. See what it tastes like.
It's tight.
How's it taste? Is it good? A little spicy? Alright, hold on, baby. Alright, so that ham bone it's got a little bit of heat to it, but it's absolutely incredible. I've got these little, like, cooling racks, and what I do is I fill this pan with apple juice, and then I put this rack on top, and then I put the ham over top of it. I don't want to braise my ham. I know there's some recipes out there where people braise their hams, but I don't want to braise my ham. I don't want to boil it in water. So yeah, but we'll we'll get these on and let's go show you getting them on the smoker.
I used to throw this ham glaze away that came with these Costco hams, but then I realized a little magic trick. If you, instead of using water, if you use this rib candy, right, it calls for like 3 ounces or 3 tablespoons, sorry, of this, now I've got 2 going. Calls for 3 ounces of that. Instead of the water, use that for your mix. And this stuff actually turns out pretty good. And then I'll add a little bit of Blueshog to this too after I get it done. So I'll let you see it in a second. Here's the magic ingredient. A Blueshog Champion blend or the Blueshog Raspberry Chipotle. Both of them are incredible in this glaze and go really good with Gentry's Hambone seasoning. All right, let's go get this on the ham. My goodness, look at that. All right, let's see where we're at on these. Oh my goodness. Look at that, no? They're ready, baby. They're ready. Look at this. Look at this. Come on. All right. So, let's carve this sucker up. Woo, baby. All right, so we've got our ham. It's hit 140 degrees, and it's done. Like it's completely done. So we're gonna get it over here, and let's see how it tastes. So just to recap on what we did today, we seasoned this spiral ham with Gentry's Hambone seasoning, and put it on the Yoder at 275 degrees for about 3.5 hours. Once it hit about 130 degrees internal, we started our glaze. The glaze consisted of Texas pepper jelly. This one is apple and brown sugar habanero. And then we used some Blueshog Champions blend. All right. We glazed it, let it sit on there until it came up to 140 degrees, and then we pulled it. And whenever I pull these, you can either just put them in like your oven on as low as it'll go, or just wrap them in foil and call it good. On the Yoder, I can set it pretty low. So it's really whatever you want to do. All right, so we're gonna cut this up with this Jeb Taylor boning knife that my buddy Jeb made. It's a handmade boning knife that he makes here in Minnesota. And look, whenever I cut these, you can see this seam here, you can see this seam here. So I'll cut these along these seams. It seems to be the easiest way to get this ham out and cut right along that ham bone, all right? I'll just kind of show you like this. And we'll see if it shows up. And I'll just cut like right along that bone. And then you can just take your ham and it'll just come right off. And it comes off in beautiful sections too when you do it this way. And we'll go over to this one, cut through here. Should be pretty much done. That's it. Then I'll come back through on some of this and I'll hit it with a little more glaze if I need to. through, and then you'll need to just, just cut it wherever the little spiral slices were. Nova, you want to come see how it tastes, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Come here. You get first bite.
Me?
Yep. All right. So, here we go. Baby Nova gets first bite. Here you go. All right. Tell them how it is. How is it?
Good.
It's good? Is it so good? Tell them. Tell them.
Good.
It's good?
Yeah.
You want some more?
I got some.
You got some? Okay, cool. Well, tell them bye. Tell them that thing. What are you supposed to tell them? Say bye. Say bye, folks. Say like, subscribe. Click this little button right here, and we're gonna make some ham biscuits with these. We'll show you how to make homemade biscuits on the Yoder smoker with these. What are you doing? And yeah, hit that like button if you like this video. All right, you ready, Noah? Okay, we're about to do this. Stay right here. Sit down. Sit down. Wait, what's on your face? Come here. Come here. No, you gotta help me. You ready to help me with this end? Come on. Where you want to sit? Okay, go away. Go away. Let us finish then. Nova, she thinks you're playing with her. No, baby, don't touch that.